Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, we have to open our contact list and we can do it using the dialer. So simply tap on it and tap on the contacts. As you can see here, we've got all the numbers which are saved on our contact list, and all you have to do right now is simply to find a contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me tap on this one and choose this edit icon. It should be in the middle. Now let's tap on this profile icon, and here we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery. So obviously I will pick this option, so simply tap on it. Now we have to complete the action using gallery or the photos, so it's up to you. I will pick the gallery. Now let's tap on the photo you'd like to use. And from this step, we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area in the square is responsible for the final look of the contact. So just make sure that you position it just like you like. And here you can rotate the picture just using the switcher. So as I said, it's really up to you what you want to do with this photo. If you're happy with the results, just tap on done. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so simply tap on this tick icon and it also appears right here. So from now on you will be able to see this photo if this number will call you. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.